Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our videos and watch all the videos, learning videos, live trading videos, advices and all those. And if you're liking those type of videos, then definitely you can hit the subscribe button so that you can be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 for trainings. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, open your account by clicking the link of Zerodha, upstox or angel broking, okay, in about section or else in my video description also it is there, so you can click those link and open through us. Then you will be part of my secret Telegram channel for lifetime learning only, okay, and nothing, no recommendations, nothing, only for learning. As and when I post certain things, you can keep learning over there during my free time. So without wasting time, finally I got some time to upload the video. Today whole day I had my personal training classes back to back. Morning I did live trading, and after that back to back classes till now. Hardly half an hour I got to go gym, and I had to run back because I had to take my next class of 7 p.m. and that also got delayed, and now again 8 o'clock class got over 8:42. Some time I got to breathe in, so I'll try to upload within the gap of next 20 minutes, 9 o'clock. So I thought I will not post this. Finally I got a gap. The class got over soon today, the 8 o'clock batch. So finally, yes, you can watch the live trading video. So I have just taken a position in Apollo hospital now, 2 lots around, so that's around 175.13. okay, the volume is pretty less, and also today is this is a day of expiry. It was expiry day. Today is the actual expiry day. Today is last Thursday, I guess, right? Today is the expiry day. So this March future and Feb future is there. So Feb future will close today, and the volume, if you see, it has 3 lakh volume traded. Here if you see 4 lakh volume traded. So therefore I switched to March futures, and the market is completely down. Okay, the whole day the market is completely down. Now I see a small green side in the market. Okay, so expecting market to recover little bit of green spikes, 3-4 candles of green spike. In that, I am expecting the stock to later on create a big green. Already the stock turned green before that, and the candles were too big, not like we got small candles. The candles were so big, it came up to so much level already. So we took it here. So we have to wait for some more time so that when market supports, this one also goes up. So our target will be around 0.3, will be around 5 rupees. Sorry, 1790 will be our target. So over here is our target actually. So we need to wait for it to achieve this particular point. So 0.3%. Close to 5,000 rupees is 0.3%, because in futures we get the leverage more. The risk and return is more in futures. Again, definitely not for beginners. Beginners, yes, equity, and then slowly to futures, and in the future we will trade in options, not now. Okay, everything step by step. Everywhere it is the same. It is the same money, just that the money increases and the risk also increases as you go forward. So it has reached till here, this point. It has to break all those, and okay, we'll wait. So if you see, it has finally spiked up. Okay, so this is the candle which has spiked up till here. So it is trading around 92 and 90. There is always a gap between the bid and the offer. So when you sell it, it will take the bid value. So it will take 90 value, not 92. So you should be very careful about that. Okay, it is a bit pushing, and yeah, So it has, if you see in the left side, in the bid side, it is exactly near a 0.3% area. So that's the reason I'm just waiting for it to have proper quantity so that when I sell, it can take it up. Okay, let's go to the orders. It is in 789.70 right now. What's happening to the market? Small turn again. It couldn't take a proper turn. It continued to go down, and again it's taking a small turn now. Okay, there is no much push. If you see, seller side is coming down and down now. So if you see, it has touched the 90, it has to hold 1000 shares in those particular area. So if it is holding 1000 shares, it will be very benefiting for us. I'm just waiting. I can't see over here, right? I can hit exit. It will take, I'm sure, at yes, so 1790.20 exactly, close to 5 rupees 7 paisa, and exactly we sold around 5000 profit on this particular trade, even though the market was negative, and the market is not at all supporting me. If you see, market took a turn here again, it is going green and taking a turn, so market is continuing to bleed right now. Market is going down and all that, but I just took, as always, advantage towards my direction. I waited for my direction. It's not that I just took blindly my direction. I waited for the situation and then took an advantage towards my direction. Okay, so that was more about today's live trading session. I have personal training classes starting from 12 o'clock, so I will not waste my time now. Today whole day will be busy. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do hit the like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.